In the workbench mode, the 7-in-1 workbench provides a large work surface that includes tool tray, ruler, compass, and so on. You can use it to store tools, saw pipes, drill holes, cutting, and many other functions needed for your DIY projects. Connect the quick clamping device on the workbench to a clamp, and the sawhorse is ready to use. Not only does the 7-in-1 workbench provide electricity to run your tools, this workbench also includes a two-way USB port, which can be used for LED lamps, USB fans, Bluetooth speakers, or simply to charge your phone. Just fold the inner legs down and the 7-in-1 workbench becomes a scaffold with a maximum capacity weight of over 550 pounds. You can step on it to complete those household chores like changing light bulbs, hanging paintings, or any other honey-do items. Pull up the handle, release the tool tray from its locking position, and then put the tool tray on top of the handle. This becomes a platform, which can be used to hold screws, screwdrivers, and other small tools while working on the scaffold.
Just quickly remove the inside socket and your scaffold becomes waterproof. You can use it outdoors, to wash your car, or you can even wash it with water.
When you fold the aluminum legs, the 7-in-1 workbench becomes a car creeper. You can use it beneath your vehicle for maintenance and repairs. Use a traction rope to pass through the hole and you have a dolly, which is designed for transporting goods. Pull the handle up and you transform the 7-in-1 workbench into a hand truck to move a refrigerator, a washing machine, or any other heavy objects. Due to its amazing industrial design, this 7-in-1 workbench can be folded and does not require a large storage area. You can store it in a closet or your car trunk and take it wherever and whenever you need to use it. You can also take it with you on your trips. Unfold it as a table and use it for a picnic or camping. You'll find this 7-in-1 workbench is one tool you will need every day. Our ultimate aim is to make everyone's life easier. So come and enjoy this amazing 7-in-1 workbench.